So we're about to head out to Brigham City. Kind of a long drive for fairly quick recovery, but we got a Subaru that slid off the road on the mountainside. It's kind of a game trail, and it's really rocky, really steep, looks like. So enjoy the show.
Awesome.
We're embarrassed to get stuck this close to civilization, but she's stuck.
Yeah. That's all right. Not too long ago, I pulled a guy out of his front yard. So.
Oh, really? That's embarrassing. Oh, on a video too? Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, we watched a couple as we were waiting.
If you go another few feet, you'll see it up on the mountain there. We'll just walk up, I guess.
You can jump in there. There's plenty of seats.
Sweet, sure. Done
So,
deal.
I'm gonna let my dog out and let him run.
Yep.
I was gonna go up and around it, and then I saw that rock.
Just with one.
Yeah.
If you will. Peace will.
Awesome.
Because it might want to slide down, but with the tires turned the other way.
Yeah. But the front two tires are both solid.
Yeah.
It's on its belly, but I think you're right. I think we should try that. And if not, we'll get you up and around me and just snatch block to this rock and pull the front back up. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Yeah, you're good. That's probably good there. Looks like a good spot. That's good, yeah. Probably get a soft shackle through it. Hey, Dapper, you got to be the center of attention.
Always.
Okay. Need a little more?
No, it's hooked up.
I can feel phlegm drying on my giant forehead.
Go run around.
cruiser, maybe.
Yeah, just go easy and I'll let it out as you go. Okay, we've hooked this side onto the onto the top, the high side now.
Turn all the way uphill. Keep going. There we go, that looks good. Okay, probably right there. We'll power out.
A few inches later.
Let's back up more.
Okay.
Pull that one back up. Back up. That's why I didn't turn you out. I know. Okay, I'm gonna pull forward to get farther that way.
Go driver! 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 There you go. A little bit driver, just a hair, right there. Okay, now straighten it out.
I think it's too rocky to try and turn it around. We'll probably have to back it all the way out.
I agree, 100%. I'm debating on turning mine around, but I don't think I'm going to.
See if you can just back it out.
Yeah. Dad? You want to jump in bends and just drive it out?
And we'll back these ones out.
I'll try.
I got it faced in the right direction.
Yeah, that's a big help.
keep your tires just off the trail on the left, your right tires will stay right where they're at, and it'll be an easy drive right out.
Well, yeah, if you nose down, you could easily just creep down the hill.
Well, there's no creeping.
No, you could.
I couldn't stop when I came up. I had to put it in reverse, hit throttle. It wasn't stopping. Are you gonna go with me, or should I go down and come spot?
I'll probably go with you, unless things get weird, then I'll just stop.
Okay.
Coming down. Let these guys jump in.
Do you know what to do when someone ignores you? Feeling ignored by someone we care about can feel painful and confusing.
I got it on the first time for me seeing that. Yeah, I couldn't see it from the Subaru. I'll have to watch the video when it comes out.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I got that one.
So does this go up on YouTube?
Yeah. So we've got. Let me grab you a sticker.
That's what it is.
Bent Offroad Recovery.
Yeah.
Is our YouTube
We
channel.
looked it up when we heard. But it had the channel and everything.
I've seen. Comes out every Sunday morning. You'll probably be on a couple weeks.
Something to put in the back window.
Got a sick shirt too.
So yeah, we've got a whole order of them coming up. Our website should be online pretty quick here. And
Within the next couple of weeks, our website should be online.
yeah,
Cool.
we'll have shirts and
Soon,
stickers,
soon we'll have hats. Right now we have shirts. We have gray. I don't have a gray shirt on, but we have gray and black stickers. So
Is that Dapper I smell?
I
Yeah.
hope not.
Glad he's,
It's whatever
he's rolling in something dead
Oh,
right
Dapper! What are you doing? Did you find a dead animal? Dapper!
I want to change rides.
now. We'll strap him in the back.
Dapper!
just open the toolbox. Open the toolbox.
Up.
Let him sit in it.
Sit. Oh my goodness. Oh! Sit.
Wow.
Now he's upwind.
Stay.
Stop by the gas station and pressure wash him off.
No kidding.
Woo!